Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen after 2022, we have seen there is a pattern forming, okay, and these two are similar pattern. As you can see looking at this particular chart, this is the same pattern and this is the same pattern, and a fall we have seen, and there is a continuous upside. Okay, if you look at go beyond 2022, you can see that these three patterns are created similarly, okay, with the resistance which is already weak resistance, as you can see looking at this particular chart, okay, and after making this particular low they have made a swing and was continuously moving upside. Okay, before we move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can move in the next 2 days, if you have any doubt you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I've given in the description, you can join that too. See, this is the swing is forming at a level of around $17. Keep that in mind. If the price comes close to this level, then we can see it can move further low, and I have previously told you that if the price move above a level of 1900, chances are very high it can make and go further upside towards a level of $2040. You can check my previous videos. Since 6 months I'm telling you that probability is very high that it can touch this particular level and can go further upside if the price comes close to a level of 2031, and then it can move further upside. Okay, now if the price sustain this level, chances are high, because what we have seen overall trend is upside and we have seen a good volatility in the price of gold. Okay, so suppose if the price sustain, what we can see, it can go further upside towards its neck resistance of around $2010, and if the price sustain above this level, chances of going further upside is there, and we can see it can go towards a level of $2016. Okay, suppose if the price move above level of $2016, then we can see the next resistance coming at around $2026. Okay, and if that level also sustain, chances of going towards a level of 2032 is there. Keep this in mind. Once the price sustain above $2032, chances of going further high is there, and a probability of touching to $2045 is there, and once it goes above this level, it can go further upside, and a probability of going towards 2051 is there. Keep that in mind. Once started moving above 2051, then we can see it can make its all-time high also. Okay, but see, volatility is huge. Okay, so you have what, when there is good volatility, always try to remember that you can reduce your quantity to half, increase your SL as well as target twice, so that your, see, suppose you are taking $100 risk for a particular trade, so it will be similar. Okay, and this volatility should not affect your SL as well as target. What if you take it that the same quantity and you did not reduce your quantity, the volatility is very high, it will hit your SL and then target. So what is the use? Always try to increase your SL by reducing the quantity to half. Okay, now suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, so the next support we can see, it can move further down towards $1995. Okay, and if that level also move further low, then we can see yes, it can go towards $1989. Okay, and once started falling below 1989, then chances of touching $1983 is there, and from there we can see it can go towards a level of $1975. Okay, and once the price fall below 1989, then chances of touching 1975 is there, and from there we can see it can go towards a level of $1973.5. and once started moving below this level, then we can see a trend breakout will be there, and a probability of going towards 1960 is there, and from there we can see level of 1956. Keep that in mind. Once the price fall below this level, it can go further low, and a probability of going towards 1947 is there after crossing a level of 1956, and then further low if the price don't sustain. Okay, and once the price fall below 1947, then you can see a trend breakout will happen, and a probability of going further down will be there. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs in the description. Okay, so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.